welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be heading over to Dollar Tree. I really want to go in there and see what new summer items that they have, and also check out to see if they have any new beauty products. I'm looking for some new face masks to try out, and you know, a lot of times they have those face masks and they're like only $1.25. So I thought that would be really cool to see if they have anything new there. I'm looking in there right now and I can see some pool noodles. I'm hoping those are $1.25. I hope they don't have like a higher price on those. I'll be really upset if they are. We do need some pool noodles because a couple weeks ago we were here, or was it here? I can't remember. But we found these little seats that you can attach to those pool noodles. And so we have a pool, and so we really want to find the pool noodles. So hopefully we'll be able to get some of those today. And who knows, we'll see what's new at the Dollar Tree. So if you're ready, let's go. I am seeing the pool noodles and they are $1.25. So yay. Ooh, look at all these cute new bags they have. Make today amazing. These are so cute. Look at the little smiley faces. Those are really nice. So great bags to like take to the beach. All right, they've got all the bubbles, and I'm seeing some baskets for some sand buckets. Look at this big bubbler. Holy cow, that is a lot. Okay, what is this? This is a water squirter. You get 2 of those. Those are super fun. And they have these huge ones right here. Oh, I love it. Let's see what else they have. Okay, I haven't seen this before. It looks like it's a H2O blaster, and it is a water squirter. So I guess you I can't do it with one hand, but I'm sure all the little boys are gonna like this one. Oh, they are definitely getting ready for Memorial Day and 4th of July. Look at all this stuff they have. Oh my gosh, this is like a wind sock. They have some paper lanterns, and it even has an LED light. It says USA. I love it. They have some lace. They have a car flag right there, and they have some cute little hats. Oh my gosh, you get 4? Is that right? You have 4 of those, and you can decorate. So if you're like going somewhere, you could decorate your golf cart, or you could decorate your RV. See, they've got scarves. Holy cow. Bandanas. Oh my gosh, look at all of this stuff. Okay, let's check all of this out. They have a ton of decor. They've got plates down here. Let's look at these plates. They've got America the Beautiful. This is adorable. Sweet Land of Liberty. And those are like square, but these are like huge, like evening dinner plates. They've got some star plates. Y'all, this is so good. So if you're having a party, I mean, holy cow, look at all the different stuff that they have. Okay, I'm only seeing a handful of these left. These shoot confetti and streamers up to 8 feet long. That'd be so much fun for kids. Look, they even have some paper trays. You could use those if you're doing hot dogs, you know, be so festive. Okay, correction, they have hot dog holders here. Oh my gosh, and you get 16 of them for $1.25. They have some cute little mini cups. Look at the glasses. Okay, boy, you can really get decked out. If you're looking to have like a pool party this summer and maybe have it like a super flamingo surfside theme, check out all of this stuff here. They have tons of decor. Look how cute these bottles are. Oh my gosh, let's flamingo. Okay, look at this cute little cup. Tropical vibes. They've got a fancy cup with some flowers right here. They have this little guy. Don't know what that is. They have some festive napkins. Oh my gosh. Look at this plate. It's like a grapefruit. Back in the summer aisle, they have a butterfly net. They have some snorkels. Okay, you guys have to let me know if you've ever tried like the snorkels or the goggles from Dollar Tree, because I want to know how well they last and if they're worth it. There is a glider little guy. They have some swim rings. They have some shovels, so going to the beach again, that would be perfect for that. They have a dive octopus. Oh, I love that. They have a bubble play set. So many different floats between like fishes. They have this air flying disc. Okay, I think that might be in the wrong spot. Maybe not. There's only a couple of those. And some boomerangs. Tons of toys. Splash catchers. Oh, that's fun. I guess you can play with that in the pool. They have a water ball sling shooter. Lots of those. They have a jump rope. So do 2 different kinds of jump ropes. Oh, this one's cool. It's 7 foot long and it lights up. Okay, how does that light up? How does that light up? Okay, so I guess it doesn't look like it takes batteries and then you just turn it on. That's fun. That'd be fun at nighttime. This is like a shark shooter, so it sucks up the water and then you can like shoot it out. I see a mini basketball hoop. That's pretty cool. I wonder if you'd like attach that to the door, maybe something, I don't know. Oh, they have some film gliders. Those are always so much fun. My boys loved playing with these when they were little. They have a fishing game. They have a bubble fan and a tray. They even have kites. Oh, wow. I love that. They've got some cones. So if you want to put out some cones and let your kids like put out the cones and the kids could like take their bikes and go in between. That'd be like a fun little, have a little obstacle course for the kids. That would be a lot of fun. Okay, so these are the pool noodle chairs that I was talking about. I couldn't think of the name, of course, but pool noodle chairs. So we're going to get the noodles today. We got the chairs. That's going to be great. Okay, this is a noodle booster. I have no idea what you use this for. What do you use this for? I don't know. Maybe I'm just out of the loop. All right, let's head down the skincare aisle and see what we can find new. Of course, they always have so much nail polish, but I don't really like nail polish. I am a gel girl, so. Now, if you are into nails like I am, look how cute this nail gem kit is. They have all different colors. They've got some hearts. Even if you have a little girl and she wants to do her nails, look at that. It's frozen. Oh my gosh, they have Barbie too. Look at this. Look at Barbie. Barbie? That is so cool. These are great to have. I always keep one of these in my shower, so especially during the summer, my heels can get a little bit dry, so this really gets all that dead skin off. I'm seeing this everywhere. Women are now using facial razors. Okay, let me know if you are one of those. I'm scared to put this on my face. A tattoo stamping thing. So it looks like it stamps little stars. Okay, that might be cute. What do you think? I also found the one that has like little butterflies. I wonder if it stays. Okay, wax strips for bikini and body. Hair removal strips are great for touch-ups and travel. Hair grows back finer and softer. Ouch. I don't know, guys. That looks like it might hurt. But this is the first time I think I have seen this here. So I don't know. I wonder how bad that would feel. I found some bath bombs and these are just I just love the shape. They're little mermaids. Okay, I have seen this hand set before. I think it goes for like $15 on Amazon. So they have some new kind. The last time we were here, we bought some and it was like more of the fall scents. So now they have lavender, eucalyptus, and kitchen lemon. All right, let's check out some of the cleaning supplies here. So they do always have like the dupe of the poopery. Wonder how good that smells. Definitely have some air fresheners. Oh, I love the packaging of this. This is luxury room mist, island breeze, and island vibe. Even have some Oh Christmas Tree by Great Scents. They even have some bleach tablets here. Oh, that's nice and convenient. I kind of like how they keep that in a small little container. Powerful cleaning action in a concentrated bleach tab. So you just use one tube is equivalent to half a gallon of bleach. And actually, I have heard that bleach stays better when it is in this form versus buying it already in a liquid form, because it can actually expire and not work as well. They've got some mothballs right here. Now, have you heard that this keeps snakes away? That's what I hear, but I don't believe it. Okay. They have a multi-purpose cleaning paste. Looks a lot like the pink stuff. This stuff right here, you guys, if you've seen any of my other cleaning videos, this stuff is really, really good, especially if you have some odors in your bathroom or even some pee smells in your toilet area. This stuff works really good. So go check out some of my other videos on cleaning toilets. If you ever need tape for anything, Dollar Tree is the best place to get it, because you get like 45 yards and it's only $1.25, and that is like way cheaper than Walmart. That's a good price, $1.25 for some electronic duster. I know like you can get a little bit bigger size at Walmart for like $9. Good price. If you need a drain snake, they have one here. So I guess that would help like getting some hair out of your drains. It says it clears drains with more contact points. Look at this. I haven't seen this before. A white window marker. How fun. Yeah, I mean, it's the end of the school year. People get married. Go team, go. All right, fake security camera. I wonder if that can actually fool somebody. Oh, these are great and such a good price. Oh, so these hold up to 2 pounds. They have some that hold up to 1 pound. Oh, this is 0.2 pounds. All right, here's a little hack for you. If you can find the vanilla little trees, if you're in an area that some flies are trying to bug you, hang one of these up. They don't like the smell of vanilla. Little hack. It looks like we have a recalled product on the apple cinnamon fruit puree. Just take note, if you bought that here, it has been recalled. Okay, doesn't that look like Jem from The Office? Hey y'all, a little hack is to come here and get your candy if you're going to the movies this summer. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna pay like whatever the cost is at the movies anymore.
Hide them in your purse or in your pockets and be like, yeah.
We're coming back down the skincare item. I don't know how I missed this, but this looks very luxurious. Spa luxury. I absolutely love this packaging. It's shave cream. You got vanilla scent and coconut cream. Okay, that looks good. I think I'm gonna have to try this out.